Thank you.
Wow, VIP. Is this what it's like being important?
To be rich?
Oh, what?
Oh, I want to see the Hulk tree. It's right here. This is the Hulk tree. Right over here. Because of the gamma radiation. You see that it's bigger than the trees next to it. So, saving. Damn, bad boy. Oh, the trash cans. Oh my god, the trash cans. How do you feel?
That was a lot easier than I thought it would be. 5 out of 5 fires. Fire punch.
Let's try this again. Who sent an old friend? System offline. Assets at risk. Reinitializing. Taskmaster. What do you want? HQ back online. Incoming call from Mr. Stark. Friday, don't put it through.
This is a fight you cannot win.
Hey everyone, good to see you. Hi, welcome to Avengers Campus. Watch this. Whoa! Woo! Do not hold your applause. Ow! Here goes something. Okay, no pressure, bud. There are a lot of people watching. Clear the runway. Spider-Man is cleared for takeoff. Oh no, this might hurt. Woo! Here we go. I'll be right down.
We're trying to get a boarding pass. We're going to try to do it the way this lady showed us. So we'll see if we get any luck. I hope so. I need to ride Spider-Man or we're going home. We're going home.
I'm going home. I got the last key to the Infinity Gauntlet right here.
Not a stone.
I'ma snap this line away.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Because it's awesome. Buddy, you can stop doing that now. But anyway, if you want to sling a web, all you gotta do is sling your arm in the direction you want to shoot the web, and that's it. It's awesome.
Peter, your spider bots are continuing to replicate, and they're consuming everything in their path.
Oh, they seem to be stuck in self-replication mode. If you could just handle that for me, please.
On it. Contacting Mr. Stark.
Don't call Mr. Stark!
Watch your step, backpacks on the floor by your feet.
See you later.
Watch your
Keep moving, everyone, all the way into the vehicle. Grab a seat and get those web vision targeting glasses on. We got spider bots to web up.
Little help here! Am I glad to see you guys?
Big ones. Look, you got 3 of those big ones. I need to go for that.
We can handle it. It's a small problem. Actually,
I'm detecting unstable thoughts ahead. The
containment again, right?
elevating threat level to legit crazy.
Yeah, that sounds right.
Also, a giant monster.
What the heck? I'm so high. I'm so low.
Wait, the rebots are still intentionally hit those rebots. Maybe the trigger
That shouldn't stop them. You're some of the top web slingers in the last hour.
Oh my god, how does your arm feel? Oh my god. They have candles.
Wait, the hotel, or they have candles that smell like the hotel?
They smell like the hotel.
Oh wait, what's this? Why is that pool empty?
Maybe it closes?
Oh dang.
How would you describe the smell?
It's not bad, but like
It's like piney.
interesting, yeah.
Oh, right here.
You better not, Linda. You better not
Linda?
let us down.
Please don't let us down.
Oh wow.
Oh wow, you can see people get scared. Oh wow. First reaction?
It's okay.
What character are we drawing this afternoon? Jack Skellington! Welcome, foolish mortals, to the Animation Academy. Now, Jack has a long, bony neck. We're going to leave his face alone for a minute. We're going to work on his neck and his trademark bow tie. So right here, where this line ends up right there at the bottom, the kids did amazing. The adults did okay.
Aww, let me see.
No, these look fantastic.
Everybody put your flippers to the side of your noggin like this. And everybody go, hey! Oh, Crush! Hey!
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Towards the wall.
Oh, really?
Wow. Putting in work. Run! This is run! Why does it sound like a toilet? Oh wow. This is cool. This is so cool. Thank you so much for showing this.
Just kidding, man.
Great, we're saying goodbye to the hotel. I just want to make sure that I capture every detail before we leave. This is one of the few Disney details that they have, and they have hidden Mickeys on the wallpaper. There's a little rainfall shower head, very powerful. Kenny very much enjoyed. Wouldn't you say, babe? Some art that looks like birds from Snow White. And then another Disney detail that they have is Chip and Dale. Recently found out that you could tell the difference between Chip and Dale because chocolate chip is brown. There's Dale. The nightstand, some office space, some TV, some orange decorations, and then the best part is the view. Also notice how it's so quiet in here, and then once you open the door, you hear everything.